Hello. This time I will show you how to change your SMS notification sound on your Samsung G5 phone, and the same is for Samsung G3 phone and so on. So how to change it? Go to Messages. Now click on More. Click now on Settings, and there is Notification sound. Click on it, and here is drop down menu where you can find your melody which you want to dedicate it to be your SMS notification sound. It was easy. Okay, thank you for watching. If this video was useful for you, please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.